Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. The Black Belt Tollgate Checklist is a simple yet powerful tool to help you understand if you've achieved the goals of each of the different steps in your project. Usually when it comes to Six Sigma or manufacturing, you want to use the DMAIC methodology and look at each of those steps as the toll gate. So define, measure, analyze, improve, and control are the different phases. And then the end of those phases, after you've done the work within those, that's the toll gate. And so essentially you can look at what were your goals or objectives for that specific step. And then did you achieve them? And what did you achieve? So being able to check those items off, the deliverables that you achieved, will tell you whether you are able to move to the next step. What you're also able to do is use this model and your checklist. If you take notes about what you did and what you experienced and what you learned, you can then use that to feed into other tools like the storyboard checklist as well, that allows you to then at the end tell your story about what you did and what you achieved. So a lot of times the tollgate checklist can be used alongside other best practice tools in Six Sigma to really make sure your project is a complete success. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.